First thing to bear in mind is the fact that 20 minutes is a really short amount of time. So given the fact that you're talking to an audience of engaged, strategic, senior peers, you can really do away with all of the introductions, the scene setting, the context, the telling us about your organization, and all the rest. Keep it to a bare minimum. We probably already know that anyway. Instead, recognize that within that 20-minute talk, people are going to want to hear about your story, and more importantly, the most important part is the how you did it and what you learned from the experience. We encourage people to be as provocative as they can. We encourage people to be controversial if they can, and recognize that this is, people are going to be really interested in that how. We don't ask people to follow a strict format for the slides, but we do ask them to keep text to a minimum, and we ask them to ensure that the final slide on the deck that they submit contains 3 bullet points, which will be useful or might be useful to anyone who wants to implement a similar leap in their own organization, that tell them how. That's all the real guidance we give, but we also encourage you to send your slides as early as you can so we can give you some feedback or a steer to make sure you're on track. But hopefully that helps you really land your message.